minsan may mga nagtatanong, bakit pag dun sa ganitong tao, komportable yung mga 2 inches lang yung lapit namin, pero dun sa isang tao, kailangan isang di pa yung layo ko sa kanya to make things comfortable. Minsan naman, ka-close mo, pero hindi ka comfortable na skin to skin yung pagkakadikit nyo. Pero may spaces, halimbawa in public, tapos crowded, hindi mo na iniisip kung comfortable ba na skin to skin kayo nung katabi mo, na hindi mo kakilala, or kung magkalayo ba kayo nung kakilala mo. Kasi may understanding na the place is crowded, and possible na yung napahiwalay ka dun sa kakilala mo, tapos ang kadikit mo is someone you don't really know, a stranger. In linguistics, there's this thing called proxemics. It's the scientific explanation to space. Kung gaano ba kalayo or kalapit yung comfortable distance for a person. If I remember it correctly, meron kaming pinag-aralan ng college sa isang subject. I think it was language communication. Tapos dun sa isang study or research na pinag-aralan namin, there's a certain proximity depending on how close you are to a person. Na halimbawa, ganito mga isang arm length ang layo for people na acquaintance mo, tapos half of an arm length para sa mga taong ka-close mo or relatives, tapos a bit farther than an arm length para sa strangers, yung mga ganun. Tapos there's this circle, halimbawa inner circle, outer circle, and another outer circle, and it groups the people in your life, the immediate family, the friends, acquaintances, and then the strangers. Syempre yung strangers are outside of the circle. And yung relationship mo with people defines the comfortable distance na you have between them. And syempre, karaniwan